Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 27 Volkswagen Jetta SE. This one's gray. Under the hood's a 1.4 turbo with a 4-cylinder. This one has 16-inch wheels with tires in good condition. Got a black leather interior. Sunroof. Coming on back here, we've got our Jetta SE TSI badging. Set out all season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Lots of space back here. This one is a non-smoker, so it smells nice and clean in here. We've got heated windows, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got a push start ignition and keyless go. Backup camera. Touchscreen multimedia display. Climate controls. Heated seats. Auxiliary and USB. Automatic transmission. This vehicle has 20,871 miles, service records, and Carfax available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.